Sierra Nevada's got into the market early enough where we really have a foundation. Every year it's been growing, which is really a sign that people really are being introduced to it as new consumers. Our need really to get another facility was twofold. One, we were maxed out in Chico. We really couldn't brew any more beer. We were at the ceiling, and we knew that 3 years before it happened. But freight really has been a driving factor to help us make the decision to start another facility. Sierra Nevada was looking for the right fit. You start looking for a place based on access for shipments in and out. You want to also look at water, because water is really, really important to brewing. The very last thing we really looked at hard was just quality of life. You know, where we wanted our employees to live and raise a family.
The Sierra Nevada project was unique. It's a brand new facility, a show place. And Sierra Nevada is a passionate customer. They're passionate about what they do. Hartness is also passionate at what we do. It was a good marriage. The deliverables within this scope included collaborating with the customer on the line design, supplying the Global Pack drop packing system, 2 Dynac accumulation tables, conveyor, palletizing systems, and the stretch wrappers. We also integrated our customers' machine centers, the filler, the labeler, their wraparound packer, and their tray packer, and finally the overhead case conveyor.
The concept of this line really came from years of experience running our systems in Chico and knowing where we could improve those systems. What we wanted to do with this line is have very fluid flow from beginning to end, first in, first out. First in, first out really gives you the ability to keep the line running and always have product traceability.
The core of the control system on this line is the Dynac-centric philosophy. There are 2 Dynac accumulation tables, one between the filler and the labeler and one between the labeler and the packers. These tables provide a buffer between those 2 machine centers, and at the downstream piece of equipment has a micro stop. The Dynac accumulation table can continue to consume product from the upstream machine center, effectively increasing the line efficiency.
The Dynac accumulation really defines the line controls. The way that system works, the speed of the infeed and the outfeed are slaved on the equipment they're either being fed by or they're feeding. The table does the work, and you really end up having a soft way to handle glass. And we're going to be using the same type of system on a can line, which is probably even more beneficial because we're really worried about can damage, denting, or creasing by pressure. So the system really just softly fills the conveyor, manages the accumulation on the table itself, and chases the speeds in and out. It all came down to kind of a group of offerings that Hartness was able to give us, and working with their system integration groups and their control engineers and talking to them about concepts of line control. We felt comfortable moving forward with them. The process of getting the line up and running and trying to get to an efficiency that we really want, it's been a good one. We've worked well with the group. I feel like we've added value, they've added value. It's been a collaboration. Everything that we've been doing with them has been working well.